What's going on YouTube? Geosnow right here. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to migrate your jailbreak from Unc0ver Jailbreak to the new Taurine. So if you want to try out the new Taurine Jailbreak, which by the way got an update today, is version 1.0.1 now, definitely follow this tutorial. So if you're jailbroken right now on iOS 14.3, 14.2, 14.1, 14.0 and so on, you can migrate to Taurine if you want to try it out, and this would work pretty fine. So do keep in mind that Taurine Jailbreak only works on iOS 14.3 and lower down to 14.0, so iOS 13 is not supported. For that you would basically need Odyssey Jailbreak, which is a completely different jailbreak. So all you have to do is to install the Taurine Jailbreak first, and then I'm gonna move to the device and show you exactly the procedure to get rid of the Unc0ver and of course to get Taurine. Now something very important about this, do not migrate your tweaks. Many people would like to migrate their tweaks directly from a jailbreak to another, and that is possible with multiple tweaks. Batchomatic is one of them and apparently it works well. However, I do not recommend this. When you migrate your tweaks from a jailbreak to another using any kind of software, there can be issues, there can be corruptions and so on, and many people actually report a pretty bad experience after migrating their tweaks from a jailbreak to another. So what I recommend is to install the jailbreak cleanly without any tweaks imported, and then install the tweaks manually yourself so that you make sure you don't get any corruptions and so on, because then you would be under the impression that the jailbreak itself is bad, when in fact it's a tweak that's been corrupted and is now acting up. So if you want to give the new jailbreak the best shot, it's best to not actually migrate your tweaks from a jailbreak to another, especially since many tweaks do not follow the same pattern or the same, file structure and so on. So this is a recommendation, do not import your tweaks with Batchomatic or any other tool like that. Just install them manually yourself in order to be able to give the jailbreak the best shot. So now let's move to the device and I'm going to show you exactly how to migrate from one jailbreak to another. So once you're on your device, you basically have to install the Taurine application, which I have in here, and then you will be basically good to go. However, you would have to get rid of the old jailbreak first. So for example, right now I am jailbroken with CheckRa1n, I have Cydia in here, so I would have to actually get rid of Cydia and of course of CheckRa1n because they're not compatible. The CheckRa1n Jailbreak comes with Cydia, while of course the Taurine Jailbreak comes with Cilio, and while the Taurine Jailbreak comes with libhooker, the CheckRa1n comes with Substrate, so they're really not compatible. The same thing with Unc0ver, so you would have to get rid of the Unc0ver or CheckRa1n before you run Taurine. To do that, both Unc0ver and the CheckRa1n have a button to restore the rootfs. On Unc0ver is a toggle in the settings, and here on CheckRa1n is actually a restore system button. You would have to restore rootfs with the jailbreak that you actually use currently before running Taurine, because the Taurine jailbreak doesn't support migration from a jailbreak to another by itself, so you would have to be already on a clean file system. So I'm gonna run the rootfs system restore and then I'm gonna be right back. So after a quick reboot, CheckRa1n is no more, and neither is Cydia or the tweaks that I used to have with CheckRa1n. The same thing would happen with Unc0ver, and of course it would get removed after the rootfs restore and you would basically be on a clean iOS. At this point it's safe to proceed and install Taurine. So all you have to do at this point is to press jailbreak, and of course I'm gonna be right back. So once you jailbreak with the Taurine Jailbreak, you should have Cilio installed like this, and that's basically your lot. So it's most important to actually get rid of the old jailbreak first before trying to install Taurine. Other than that, you should be good to go. Now as I said, Taurine got a new update, the 1.0.1, which should fix some issues that people had initially on 1.0, so definitely make sure you get the latest IPA. But that's basically it. So make sure you remove Unc0ver or CheckRa1n first, and if you can, do try to avoid Batchomatic or any other method that would allow you to import your tweaks, because it can go wrong and it can create problems with the jailbreak. So if you want to give the jailbreak the best shot, that would be to install the tweaks manually after jailbreaking. So yeah, thank you for watching, I am Geosnow, till the next time, subscribe to stay updated and peace out.